Have you ever wanted to sew a dress without using a pattern? What if I told you there's a way you can actually do this? Hi, I'm this November girl, and today I want to walk you through a story how I made this dress. I wanted to make a dress for Stampede. My soju came back and I wanted to make this dress, and I didn't have a lot of time, but I had the idea of what I wanted to make. And when I was thinking of sharing the fabric, I actually remembered that I had a pre-shirred fabric. What is like pre-shirred fabric? This is fabric that has already been shirred. It's stretchy, so you can use the stretchy parts to be fitted in areas you want. You can use it over your bust, you can use it in your midsection, and also on your hips. It depends on what you want to make. You can use it to make a skirt, you can use it to make a top. I used mine to make a dress. And if you want to buy a pre-shirred fabric, what I will advise you do is to get a little more fabric than you actually need. It's stretchy and just a little bit more, something that will fit your body right, but also give you a bit of room for error. I sewed this dress in under 3 hours. Well, let's say 3 hours. You can do it longer than that. You really don't need to beat my time. I had not sewn for a while and I was able to do this because for me it made the process easier. Sewing with shirred fabric makes sewing more beginner friendly because you don't have to learn how to share. It's already shared. The way I sewed this dress was I put it on myself. I had an idea of what I wanted. I knew I wanted something high-low, so I just put a pin. I wore it, put a pin where I needed the high part of the skirt to start from, and I put into consideration that I was adding ruffles at the end, like 4 inches. So I put a pin to where I wanted the high part of the skirt to be, and then measured out 4 inches and had the whole line of fabric to gather. Another thing I'll advise when you're getting pre-shirred fabric, get something that is lightweight. Don't get something too thick. I know they have it in cotton and they have it in viscose and chiffon. Lightweight fabric so that I can drape pretty well on your body. So first thing I said, get a fabric like a meter more than you need. Also get lightweight fabric. It will be really helpful for you. And stand in front of the mirror. I'll say have an idea of what you want to make before you cut into the fabric, and then stand in front of the mirror. Use pins to help you know, okay, this is where I want this. And then one way I make my clothing very neat, when I'm sewing, I do the French seam. So I sew at the front and turn it in and then close it up. I really hope you try to sew this dress as well. Even if not this dress, a style that you like. I got this from Fabric Land. Most fabric stores should have this. Not all, but most fabric stores should have it. Just check and see if they've got it there. Buy it. It's beginner friendly and you do not need any pattern to make this. Have fun sewing. Thanks again, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.